Hello guys, welcome back. So today we'll be learning how to create this design you're seeing right now. So first of all, we need to create a new page. Then we'll go to our plus icon and add a new text. For this new text, we'll be using first insert our company name, and then we'll enlarge it to 50 and change the font to this font you see right here. So as I said, enlarge it to 50, and then make sure the service is below it. Yes, 50. Then we're going to change the color to this dark blue, and the hex code is down there. And then we're going to bold it. Always make sure that the service is below, and also underline it. We go to effects, add a splice effect which will make it look double like this. Place it somewhere above, and then try and make a line spacing. My line spacing will be 1.90. Add a new text, and now insert your tagline if you have one. That space that we made between the company name is where we're going to insert our tagline. And for this tagline, we're using a different color, and this is the hex code for the color. Now take it in the middle. Make sure it's middle. There are lines or grids to help you do that. Now just make sure everything is balanced and in the center. Now we'll go to our plus icon again, elements, and search for laundry. And under laundry, you tap on graphics, and then you see a man. When you tap on that man, just keep it there. Now add a new shape, which is the square. Bring it below. Change the color to the light blue that we wanted for the tagline. Just make it in a way that it will contain your information. As like this. Then we go to plus icon, element, laundry. Then under graphics, tap on the man you see right there as this man. So we're going to make a little changes to the color of this man. So first change the first color to dark blue, then followed by the normal blue, and then leave it that way. So I'm going to increase the size to what you feel is appropriate for you. For me, this is good. I don't have to increase anything. Yeah, just have to leave it this way. Yes. Now we have to add a drop shadow to make the person more realistic. So we're going to add the drop shadow. Just bring it somewhere below. Make it so small. Just make it fit the image. We're going to reduce the opacity to 50. Send it to the back, and then bring it below a little. Yeah, something like this is okay. But let's just change it a little bit, increase the size, and then bring it down a little. Center, bring it to center as well. So the next we'll do that, we're going to duplicate our tagline, and then you're going to add your services. Yeah, this is what I did. This is my services. You can also merge or increase it and decrease it to where you want. It's your choice. It's your design. You have to choose how you want to do it. So this is okay for me. This is okay. Yes, we'll bring it to the middle. This also, we'll check it out and also increase the size because I want it to be big. So this is okay. So next we'll we'll duplicate the tagline once again and bring it to the square we once created. So this, we'll delete it and then add our contact details, and also change the color to white or the color we left. You can change it at white, you can leave it as any color as long as it's visible to the viewer. So yes, I'm having problem editing the text, but just give me some minutes. Just do it. Yes, I'm done now. So now we need some background effect. You can't just leave the background plain. So you go to a plus icon and search for spray under element. Under spray as well, you go under graphics and select out the first spray you see, which is this. So I have to change the color to the light blue once again. Send it to the back and reduce the opacity to 40. So that's how you can place it anywhere you want. So we're going to do this. We're going to reduce the opacity to 40 and place it in different places which is possible. Down, 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 so on and so forth. And that's how you're going to do it. So let's bring it this area up once again, and possibly put one in the middle. Yes. Also, don't forget to always position the middle walls to the middle. This is the old design and this is our design. So guys, if you like this video, please kindly subscribe, like, and share to friends and family who will be of useful to this video. And in few seconds, you'll be seeing the review of this design.